cave dwellings are an expression of self-built homes, as the digging into the rock was carried out by the whole family, who built homes of size to suit their particular needs. Most of these dwellings are still lived in, although they have been converted and extended outwards, thereby hiding the original cave construction or reducing its overall importance within the dwelling. The new built elements coexist with the primitive ones, projecting a landscape in which past and present live together. The cave dwellings made the troglodyte village of La Atalaya a unique area from an urban point of view and a reference point of international importance in terms of its density, diversity and monumental nature. It is an emblematic and symbolic district, the origins of which remain firmly rooted in the collective memory of its inhabitants. La Atalaya, which means watchtower or observation point in English, is a unique spot in Gran Canaria, a village whose early inhabitants put their local geological material to good use, digging into the rock to settle in this area, as some of the pre-conquest communities of this island had also done. So these are the houses, the cave houses, which emerges the ancient caves, which were put into good use, and the modern elements, as we can see. And it also looks like an observation point or watchtower, because it is situated next to a deep valley. That's why people live here, there, or can observe or watch all the valley and, of course, the Atlantic Ocean in the distance. In distance. This site contains a pottery museum and an eco-museum as well, which can be visited as well. In the pottery museum, with ancient technology, people create or produce pottery, which is called loseros or loseras, or losos or loza, which is a very important collection of handcrafted pottery in the island.
Temple.
Of the site, there is a big car park, so all who want to visit this site, they can just leave their car there. It is 100 or 200 meters from the car parking, just next to a pub, which is called Juancito, Bar Juancito. There is a tiny street with a very spectacle, stunning landscape.